Compliance shouldn't live in spreadsheets, inboxes, and disconnected tools. Zivian is the only platform built specifically for organizations managing NP&PA teams. Zivian centralizes provider data, credentials, and ongoing chart review and QA requirements, so teams know what's active, what's due, and what needs action. And with regulatory intelligence across all 50 states, Zivian helps teams navigate state rules and operationalize compliance with confidence. Zivian offers both workforce-level visibility for team leaders and an experience for clinicians to track and manage compliance. From activating new providers to tracking ongoing QA, Zivian gives teams one unified system to execute and scale. Zivian, one platform, end-to-end compliance, and no more spreadsheets.